I love it. Hi, I'm Franziska Kava. I'm an industrial designer from Austria, and I develop paper electronics, a sustainable alternative in electronic devices. I grew up with an inventor at home. My father, a physicist, always worked on new little gadgets that he could make up, and I often did tag along. So when it was my turn to create something new, I knew exactly where to start. Electronic waste is the fastest growing waste stream worldwide, and most electronic products are not designed in a way for them to be recycled. So I was aiming to create a product that's not only improving recyclability, but creates a full circular system around it. PAPE focuses especially on consumer goods, so small devices like Wi-Fi routers or smoke detectors. And in that area, everybody can improve the recyclability of electronic devices by choosing the right product. I hope that this invention reaches the point when people talk about which Wi-Fi router they should buy next, they will think about PAPE, because it's just the better sustainable option, and I love the design.